Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, December 22nd, 2020. Almost the end of the year. Yay! Well, today I wanted to give you guys some information on nursing school, what the requirements are, and what you're looking for when you're thinking about nursing school itself, and some of the prerequisite classes that are required of you. Now, every school is different. Every school requires different prerequisite classes, from general education to specific science classes that you have to take. Here in Colorado, there's probably a good top 5 to about 5 nursing schools, and I printed some of them out, and the top schools are Regis University, University of Colorado Denver, more specifically University of Colorado Denver on the Anschutz campus, which is the University Hospital campus here in Denver. Denver College of Nursing, which is a private school, and then Colorado Christian University, which is another private school, and Platt College, which is it's a private school, but they also are one of the, I wouldn't say easiest, but are the most lax of the nursing programs, probably here in Denver. They don't require any prereqs at all. They give them to you all while in the program, but the program is 3 years long, no matter what. So even if you had every prereq for their program finished, just how the schedule lines out would be 3 years. So nursing school, there's 2 types of degrees you could get. One degree is an associate degree in nursing. So it's a 2-year degree program, and that will teach you everything about basic nursing, all of your basic nursing skills, everything. It allows you to sit for the national NCLEX exam, which allows you to get your registered RN license nationally, but then you still have to apply within the state to obtain your state license. Now, how that works, and then you have another type of degree, which is your bachelor's degree. Your bachelor's degree is just what it sounds. It's a BSN, Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. It is a 4-year degree, and that will get you hired to pretty much a lot of hospitals. A lot of hospitals have different types of nurses that they hire, whether that be ADN nurses or bachelor degree nurses. Now, most hospitals will require you to get a bachelor's degree in nursing at some point. You just have to. That's just how it is nowadays. But some of the basic prerequisite coursework can be laid out in the programs here. So what I'm going to read off to you and explain a little bit is the Denver College of Nursing Associate's Degree in Nursing prereq or pre-coursework classes, and that requires a couple things. That usually requires a college level English class. So if you go to a community college, it's English 121 or 122. They just require one of those. That's 3 credits. Intro to college algebra. So basic college algebra math. Anatomy and physiology, A and P 1 and 2. Now the A and P classes are taken 2 separately in community college. Anatomy and Physiology 201 usually, and Anatomy and Physiology 202 usually. They both require labs, and so you're looking at both of those being 4 credits each. So to complete the pre-course work for Denver College of Nursing, you need 8 credit hours of Anatomy and Physiology. And then the last class for the associate's degree in nursing would be human growth and development. Now, human growth and development can look different within the community college system or the universities. The community college usually runs it as birth to death. They fit it all into 15 weeks, and that's a 3 credit class. Now, be warned, every college is different with their prerequisite nursing programs and what they require. You need to definitely check the requirements of the nursing program or nursing programs you would like to apply for in the future. And the reason for this is they may require more than what I listed. That's just what Denver College of Nursing requires. Now, if you're looking at a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing, you have a couple more classes you got to do. You have to have microbiology, which is usually microbiology 204. That has to be with a lab. You have to have 2 additional science courses. So besides anatomy and physiology, usually it's biology, college biology 111 and 112. Again, check with the school you want to attend and go to for nursing. Statistics is another one for a bachelor's program. And then psychology is another one. Basic nutrition is another one. Now, here on Denver College of Nursing's bachelor prerequisites, they list basic English class, so English, and then English composition. So English 121 is like your basic English class, how to write a paper, and your 122 English class is how do you write a research and do research papers. Now, I can't emphasize this enough. Look into the programs. Call people. Don't just go off my word, because my word could be wrong to the program that you want to go to. So, the other thing with nursing classes and prerequisite classes are university options. Regis University, University Colorado Denver, University Colorado Colorado Springs. Now, they both offer nursing classes, except here's the issue with it. They require more coursework. They require basic college chemistry 1 and 2. Now, that is because they're a university program. Will you get better education at a university program? No, you're not. All nursing programs teach the same nursing skills. You take any new grad and tell them, hey, what did you learn in Medical Surgical 1? And it's going to be right around the same as what you're probably going to see when you take your Med Surg 1 class. Now, Again, I have not taken that class. I have not been accepted into nursing school. I'm a critical care tech here in Denver, Colorado. I understand basic nursing skills because my background is an emergency medical technician. So when I've worked on an ambulance, I've had to move patients. I've had to deal with basic nursing skills. My current job, I deal with basic nursing skills. Checking vitals, checking a blood pressure, a pulse, setting up IVs, putting IVs in. These are all some basic skills that you will learn in nursing school. The university programs are great. They have great professors. I'm not going to tear them down. There's no need to. If you want to go to one, that's fine. Now, will it be cheaper than a private school? Definitely. Probably in the long run. But here's the difference. University programs usually offer a traditional program, which is 2 years. Now, sometimes they will offer a program called an accelerated nursing program. These programs are rigorous. They're usually maybe 12 months to maybe 16 months, a year and a half. 16 months isn't a year and a half, but it's generally 1 year to 1.5 years of a nursing program. All right, great. But the caveat to that is that you already have to have a bachelor's degree. I'll repeat it again. You have to have a bachelor's degree to be accepted into an accelerated nursing program. So, if you're looking into nursing programs, I know Red Rocks Community College here in Lakewood, Colorado will work with you if you do not have a bachelor's degree. They will not fast track you, but they will work with you to get into the University of Colorado, Denver, Anschutz campus nursing program. That's another option. So, they do not offer, Red Rocks does not offer an associate's degree in nursing, but they're able to work with University of Colorado, Denver to get you into their bachelor's degree program. So, I chose Denver College of Nursing to apply to. Again, I have not gotten in because it would be the quickest way for me to get in. Now, I have healthcare experience. Not everybody does. Will that help me through nursing school? Yes. To some degree. I have a heck of a lot to learn when it comes to being a nurse. I am not saying that it's going to be a breeze. It may lighten my load a little bit, but I can't guarantee that because I haven't gone through it. And I talk to nurses every day in my job that say, yes, there will be certain parts that are very easy and very difficult parts. Now, for my current job, I currently put in IVs in a lot of patients on my unit. Is that easy? No, not in a long shot. It is not an easy task. It takes a good amount of skill, and you can still miss a lot of IVs. Now, everybody isn't good at them, but do you get great with practice? Sure. So I wanted to make this video just to say, hey, here in Denver, here are some options for nursing programs. Here are some of the prereqs that you need to get into nursing programs. English composition, anatomy and physiology, 2 classes with labs, microbiology, nutrition, statistics, human growth and development, a psychology class, sometimes chemistry 1 and 2. So again, just double check with that. And I'll end it there. My timer's going off for dinner. So everybody have a good time. Check out these courses. Check out these classes. And always double check. Call any program that you want to get into. And make sure you're calling them. Make sure you are understanding what program you would like to get into for nursing. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, I'm willing to answer. I'm willing to lead you in a direction of some sort. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't done that. Again, I'm a critical care tech here in Denver, Colorado, hoping to get into nursing school here hopefully July 5th, and we'll see how it goes. Like, subscribe, see ya.